Here we have a 2018 VW Golf R. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels, finished in gloss black, all of them in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the turmeric yellow exterior paintwork, which really does stand out and pop, especially in the sunlight. We have the LED headlights, the Golf R badging on the front grille. There's a look at the front end. We also have a few modifications, such as the air intake. The vehicle is also lowered. We have the operated performance clutch as well. All of the modifications are listed on the advert and on the website if you want to check them all out. We also have colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the wind deflectors, shark fin antennae up top. We also have the rear spoiler just there, which sits nice and flush. There's a look at another alloy wheel, as you can see, unmarked. Round to the rear, you find we have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and an audible warning. We have the quad-tip Miltech exhaust system, another modification, which really does sound amazing. Taking a look inside of the boot, so opening it up just like so, you find we have a decent amount of space back here. We have the partial shelf as well just there. We have a handle to pull the boot back down. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And you can really see the colour popping just there in the sunlight. Taking a look now at the interior. So inside of here you find we have the cloth interior. We have the R logo just on these front seats just there. We have the seats at the back as well, the cloth seats, the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well. There's a look at them. Both the front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. Again, we have the electric mirrors, the heated electric mirrors, electric windows just there. We have the auto lights, also a flat-bottomed multifunctional steering wheel. If we take a seat inside, you find we have the digital dashboard just there. If we close the door, we have the adaptive cruise control just here. Now if you put our foot on the clutch and turn the vehicle on, then you'll find that we'll be free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. So we can get different bits of information just here on the dashboard using this side of the steering wheel. So as you can see, we can flick through different options just here. We can also have other options such as the assist. We have the navigation. We also have the views, where you can change the view just here for the consumption. You have the gear and speed, efficiency. You have all these other options as well, which you would have seen on the photos. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the likes of the sat-nav just here. We also have the radio, where you find we have the DAB, FM and AM radio stations. A range of media such as the auxiliary, the Bluetooth audio and the SD card. We have the phone connectivity just here. Click onto the app, you find we have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We also have the performance monitor just here, along with the lap timer as well. Go into the main menu, you can see we have even further options just there. We also have the different drive modes, so we have the Eco, we have normal, race and also the individual drive mode, as you can see just there. Putting the car into reverse, then you'll find that we have the parking sensors which will appear on the screen. Put it back into neutral. Further down we have the climate control, the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats on either side, working just as they should do, as you can see. We also have the 6-speed manual gearbox. We have the different drive mode buttons, the auto start button. We have the traction control and the parking sensors just there. Inside of here you find we have some storage space. We also have a USB and the auxiliary just inside of there. We have the electric handbrake, auto hold, 12-volt connectivity, and inside of here you find that we have the 2 cup holders. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this VW Golf R. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show you guys that this vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. So as you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, it's staying straight and true. We do also have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the adaptive cruise control with the speed limiter as well. We have the digital dashboard just here in front of me, which can display lots of different bits of information, which you should have seen on the photos. Coming up to the roundabout now, if we put our left indicator on to turn left, just as you would do if you were test driving this vehicle here today in person. Now we do also have the cloth interior, full cloth on the front and also the back. Both the front seats are heated, which is perfect for the cold winter mornings. do 200, 300, 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling quite fresh. We do also have the main infotainment screen just down here in the centre, which is currently displaying the sat-nav navigation. We also have the radio on here, where you find that we have the FM, DAB and AM radios. We have a range of media such as the Bluetooth audio, we have the USB and the auxiliary. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, which is also a really useful feature to have. We have the different sport displays such as the lap timer. We also have the full Miltech exhaust system, which sounds absolutely amazing and really comes to life when you want to have a bit of fun. We also have the climate controller just further down, which has the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for these hot summer days. Coming around to the industrial side now, if we turn and take a right just in a moment, we'll put the car into reverse just after doing an emergency stop. And you'll notice we have front and rear parking sensors, which will pop up just here on the main infotainment screen. So if we get ready to turn right just in a moment, let the traffic pass, put our indicator on right now. Slowing down and turning right, you'll find we are turning onto the industrial site, so emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, as you see, very stiff. Put the car into reverse, we have the parking sensors just there. Moving back forward with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video test drive hasn't answered all of your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales teams, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. That's it from me today. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.